friend of mine approached me recently and she said to me that her mum, Olga, wanted to have something done with her face. Olga's face was beginning to drop, look old looking, tired looking, as we all do. Like Olga's in her early 60s. You'll see her now in the video, what I did with her. But we all do, no matter if you're in your 40s, 50s or 60s, we all feel sometimes the skin is dull, tired, getting old. The quickest and easiest way to get a facelifted effect is to put in dermal fillers into the cheeks, because if you pick up a mirror there at home and have a look at your cheek, if you do a little pinch like this, you'll see that it's like as if you're creating volume. And if you observe the fold here, this fold is called the nasal fold, observe that fold when you pinch it, you will see it's less deep, and observe the lower jawline and you will see that the lower jawline is lifted as well. So that's why if you put dermal filler in here, it gives an instant lifted effect. Now, because Olga here is in her early 60s, I put in an extra dense dermal filler. So the brand I use is the Stylish brand and it's called XL, which is extra dense. Now I did use 2 syringes on her. I used 1 full syringe here, which is 1 ml, and I did the same on the other cheek. And you'll see in the video, you get an instant lifted effect. Hold the mirror here and take this off. And can you see the difference?
Yes. Wow.
It's nice. Yeah. It's more natural.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I'm very good.
You can see the difference.
I'm very good, yeah.
You can see the difference, yeah. Because this cheek is flatter and this is nice and plump and more youthful. Yeah, happy?
Yeah, happy.
Good.
Happy. I will have more.
This Stylish XL dense filler is a thicker gel with a concentration of 26 milligrams of hyaluronic acid per ml, so it's a more durable and longer lasting filler. It also contains an antioxidant called mannitol, which protects the hyaluronic acid gel from free radical damage, and this will prolong your results. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance within our skin and is responsible for maintaining moisture and enhancing its volume and plumpness.
Yeah. Oh.
You're happy?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Younger looking?
Yes, yeah.
It lasts 1.5 years, 18 months.
Yeah.
But sometimes that's not enough. For somebody in your 60s, sometimes the dermal fillers is not enough to give you the final result. So I also did some PDO threads. Now we have new threads. So these here are very strong screw threads. They're called the Tornado Twin screw threads. So they're extra strong. Twin threads means there's 2 threads on the needle, and they're screw threads, which means they create more volume. So I put 5 twin screw threads all along one jawline, and I did the same on the other jawline. So if you could rate the pain out of 10 for me, 10 is painful and 1 is not painful. How painful was the threads on insertion?
Between 3, 4, okay, yeah, maybe 2.
Yeah. So the thing with these PDO threads, you won't see the results for about 8 to 12 weeks. So I will bring Olga back in about 8 or 12 weeks to review her results with these threads, and if she wants increased tightness in her skin, she can repeat these threads and in 6 weeks time get a repeat course of PDO threads. These Tornado twin screw 90mm PDO threads are used in lifting therapy for the face. They are intertwined double threads that give volume to sunken areas of skin and are usually used for general face lifting and improving skin tightening. For optimal results, the threads should be combined with other lifting therapies such as cheek fillers or mesotherapy collagen boosters. 10 out of 10 for this side here. 10 is painful, 1's not painful.
Yeah. Maybe 3.
Okay, not bad. Can you see the lower face a little bit?
Yeah, I see. It's really good.
Yeah, you can see. Of course, there's going to be a little bit of swelling, which will give you that sense of lift as well.
Yeah.
But the swelling will go in 24 hours. By tomorrow, the swelling will be gone. And in 8 weeks, you will see the results for the threads.
Okay.
So gradually, every week, they will improve slightly. Every week. So you're happy?
Yeah, I'm really happy.
Yeah.